In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Brutalism poster design in Canva. This style is known for its raw, industrial aesthetic, and we're going to capture that look with just a few steps, right here on Canva. It will take about 5 minutes, and by the end, you'll have your own striking design ready to go. First, head over to Canva, where we'll be doing all our design work today. Once you're there, start off by typing Brutalism poster into the search bar. This will give you a variety of templates that reflect that bold, no-nonsense brutalist style. It's a fantastic starting point, especially if you're new to brutalism or need some inspiration. After you've done your search, take a moment to browse through the options. You'll find a variety of designs, each with its own unique take on brutalism. Look for one that resonates with the message or aesthetic you want to convey. Remember, you want something that stands out and captures attention, as is characteristic of brutalist design. Once you've found a template that you like, go ahead and click on it. You'll see an option that says customize this template. Clicking here will open up the template in the Canva editor, where you can truly make it your own. Now that you're in the editor, it's time to personalize your poster. Begin by editing the text. You can replace the default text with your own words, whether it's an event announcement, a statement, or any message you want to highlight. As you're editing, pay attention to the font to ensure it aligns with the brutalist aesthetic. So think bold, strong fonts that make a statement. Next, let's focus on graphics. Click on the Uploads option in the Canva editor. This feature allows you to add any images or graphics you have in mind for your design. Maybe you have a specific logo, photo, or illustration that you want to include. Simply drag and drop it into your poster design. This step is crucial for adding a unique personal touch to your creation and ensuring your poster communicates exactly what you want it to. So that's it. In just a few quick steps, you've created a brutalist poster on Canva, complete with your own text and images. This design approach is fantastic for making a bold, impactful statement and is sure to grab attention wherever you share it. Thanks for watching this tutorial and happy designing.